Neck fans have already racked up millions of searches on TikTok because they're cool. Or at least they're cooling. These wearable fans provide a steady breeze exactly where you need it, right next to your face. They're ideal for walks in the heat or keeping cool in the office, cost a fraction of bigger fans, and can be a stylish accessory. Here are some tips on what to look for before purchasing and our recommendations for the best neck fans. Number 1. Jisoo Life Bladeless Neck Cooler. The highly rated Jisoo Life Bladeless Neck Cooler is ready to go right from the box. Just connect the included USB-C cord and charge the included lithium-ion battery for up to 16 hours of use. Impressive. This bladeless fan is lightweight and felt good around my neck. This 360-degree fan features 78 vents and 3 speeds, providing a steady, refreshing breeze to the underside of my face without blowing my hair all over the place. This Jisoo Life fan is also reasonably quiet, though louder at level 3, the highest wind speed. That said, when I let my hair down, a few strands did get a little caught in the fan. And while this Jisoo Life model is great for a walk or hike on a hot day, it's not particularly suited for running if you bounce up and down a lot as you stride. But it's an attractive and affordable way to stay cool on the go. And it comes in 5 colors: dark green, dark blue, gray, green, and yellow. Number 2. Toros Coolify Portable Air Conditioner Neck Fan. Introducing the Toros Coolify Portable Air Conditioner Neck Fan, your perfect companion for ultimate cooling comfort. With the Toros Coolify, you can stay cool and comfortable in scorching summer heat waves, whether you're outdoors, at home, or in the office. Say goodbye to traditional fans with blades that can be noisy and cumbersome. The Toros Coolify utilizes cutting-edge semiconductor cooling technology to provide a powerful and quiet breeze without blades. Equipped with a high-capacity 4000 mAh rechargeable battery, this leafless mini USB fan ensures you stay cool for hours on a single charge, making it perfect for extended outdoor adventures or long workdays. Designed to be worn around your neck, the Toros Coolify is completely hands-free, allowing you to move and work freely without being tethered to a fan. It's a game-changer for outdoor activities, cooking, gardening, or working at your desk. Number 3. AmaCool Bladeless Neck Fan. With the AmaCool Bladeless Neck Fan, you can breeze through hot summer days, whether you're out and about, at home, or in the office. Say farewell to traditional noisy fans with blades. This fan boasts cutting-edge bladeless technology, delivering a powerful and whisper-quiet cooling experience without the hassles of rotating blades. Equipped with a massive 5000 mAh rechargeable battery, this wearable fan keeps you cool for hours on end, making it perfect for outdoor adventures, travel, or long workdays in the kitchen or garden. Designed to hang comfortably around your neck, the AmaCool Bladeless Neck Fan ensures that your hands remain free while you enjoy a constant stream of refreshing air. Perfect for outdoor sports, travel, patio relaxation, gardening, cooking, and more. Tailor your cooling experience with multiple speed settings. Whether you need a gentle, cooling breeze or a more robust airflow, this fan has you covered. The pristine white color adds a touch of elegance to your ensemble, making it a fashionable accessory for any setting. Number 4. Icebird's Portable Neck Fan for Kids. The Icebird's Portable Neck Fan is the perfect summer accessory for kids, ensuring they stay cool and comfortable in a fun and creative way. This hanging personal mini fan is powered by a USB rechargeable battery, eliminating the need for disposable batteries. Your child can enjoy hours of cooling relief on a single charge. The bare orange color and adorable design make this fan a playful accessory that kids will love to wear. It's like having their very own cool and cute headphones. The leafless design not only adds to the fan's safety but also creates a unique and mesmerizing breeze that your child will find fascinating. Customize the cooling experience with 3 different fan speeds. Whether your child prefers a gentle breeze or a more refreshing airflow, Icebird's has the right setting. Keep your little ones cool, comfortable, and entertained with the Icebird's Portable Neck Fan for Kids. It's not just a fan, it's a playful accessory that brings joy and relief during hot summer days. Number 5. ComLife Portable Neck Fan. Introducing the ComLife Portable Neck Fan, your ultimate companion for personal cooling on the go. With the ComLife Portable Neck Fan, you can breeze through hot days effortlessly, whether you're at home, in the office, or on an outdoor adventure. Powered by a high-capacity 2600 mAh rechargeable battery, this wearable fan provides hours of cooling relief on a single charge. It's your perfect companion for home, office, or travel. Designed to hang comfortably around your neck, The CalmLife neck fan allows you to enjoy cool air without using your hands. Perfect for outdoor activities, working at your desk, or simply relaxing at home. Customize your cooling experience with the fan's 360-degree flexibility. Adjust it to the perfect angle for maximum comfort. The black color adds a touch of sophistication to your look, making it a versatile accessory for any occasion. Stay cool, calm, and collected no matter where you are with the CalmLife portable neck fan. It's the ultimate solution for personal cooling without the hassle of traditional fans.